afternoon, everybody. It's Friday. It's the end of the week. It's done. We did it. I feel like the weeks are going very slow at the moment. Not because of all the stuff going on in the world right now, surprisingly. I feel like it's just because of my own personal lack of motivation. It's just going so slow. Did not sleep great last night at all. Me and Chris went to bed. Well, Chris was asleep probably just after 9:30. I think I was asleep towards 10:30, maybe just after. But then we both woke up at like 1:45 and started watching the election updates until about... I turned my phone off at 3:30, but I don't think I fell asleep until like close to 4:30. And then Chris put his phone down at about 4 because they announced they were stopping counting for the night. And then the alarm went off at 6:30 and Chris got up and went to work, and I was like, how are you surviving right now? But then again, I didn't go back to sleep this morning either, so clearly there's some kind of adrenaline keeping me going. I don't know what it is or where it's come from, but I'll take it. Nothing's changed as of yet. I think Biden actually might have a slight lead. I want to say in Georgia, which is super exciting. I think I literally said in yesterday's vlog, I think Georgia will go to Trump, but it'll be very close. I think it might go to Biden now by like this much, which just goes to show how important everyone's vote is in this situation. How important it is for you to vote, and for you to vote smartly, not just on your own personal beliefs. Because like there's like 1.2% of people have voted for like a third party in a two-party system, and it's like, if you'd voted for Biden, he would have won by now and we would be out of this mess. But no, you chose to vote for a third party in a two-party system. Like, don't get me wrong, have your beliefs, but you've got to be progressive. You've got to start small and make your way over there. You can't expect a country as right-wing as the United States to magically become on the radical left. Like, that's just not going to happen overnight. You need to make it gradual. It's, yeah, it's a shame. But I think things are going well, and I hope they stay that way, and I hope everyone is okay out there in the US right now. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're staying safe from the craziness of the streets outside right now, and that if any kind of fight is instigated, stay inside. Just stay inside, lock your doors, don't come out unless you need to, especially at night. Not only because of the riots, but because there's a pandemic as well, you know. Let them get really angry and upset about losing and, you know, start riots and giving each other COVID. You just stay inside, wrap yourself up in a blanket and keep your fingers and toes crossed that everything will turn out for the best. Yeah, did some uni work this morning. It's better than it has been today. I did more work than I have been for the past couple of weeks. I did some more reading today. I've been not avoiding it, but I've not been doing the reading for legitimate reasons, because they're either readings I've already done or they're ones that aren't necessarily fully relevant to what it is that I'm writing about in my assignment. But I forced myself to do some readings today, and I feel a little bit better about myself because of it. I don't think it necessarily helped me in any way. If anything, I feel like it's confused me. I think I want to change an aspect of my assignment, because I feel like I'm going to really struggle to write 1,500 words on what they want me to write about, or what I've chosen to write about. They gave us like 6 topics and we had to pick between 1 and 3, and I've chosen 2. I like the first one a lot. The second one I realise now I'm not going to be able to find 1,500 words to write about, because I'm struggling with 1,500 words for the first topic. And yeah, not that that makes any sense to anyone watching this, but I think again the lack of motivation just comes from like the fact that I'm not present at university at the moment. I feel like I'm not engaging as much as I usually do, and because of that I feel like I'm falling behind. When in reality I'm actually engaging pretty much as I always have done, and I'm actually on track with where I am usually. I think it's just because I don't have anyone else to compare myself to, because I'm on my own. So, I don't know. Most of my problems are probably in my head, but the stress of motivating yourself to do something you really don't want to do is a lot. There's my cat. She's pretty. And I've rambled a lot. I've been rambling a lot in the intros of my vlogs the past couple of days. I think the elections really like fried my brain into talk mode. I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself for the rest of the day. Now I'm gonna get lunch because it's coming up to 1 o'clock. I'm super late starting the vlog today. It's coming up to 1. I'm gonna go get some food. Oh yes, you got it. Whoa! Isn't she the cutest? Good afternoon, everybody. It is, let me sort out my hair, the afternoon, and I'm playing with my cat. There's like a period in the day, in the middle of the afternoon, it's actually normally a lot earlier than this, where she gets really hyperactive, and she starts trying to eat my charger, which is probably not good for her. So every time I pull out the tape measure, because she doesn't really get much exercise anymore, because she doesn't go outside. So I try and encourage this little playful bit as much as possible because it wears off super quick. She usually tires herself out in like 10 minutes. She's not a super playful cat. So yeah. Oh, that was nearly a good catch. You nearly caught that. Oh. Not much has been going on my end, honestly. It's been mostly chilling out. Ooh. With the cat. I don't know what's going on with the election much anymore because the updates are coming in so slow that I've kind of been forgetting. But it looks like Biden's in the lead. If only by a few votes, even though he's won the popular vote by like 4 million and is like the most popular voted in president in the entirety of the history of the United States. The fact that that's not enough to win is bizarre. America's voting system is so blatantly corrupted. I just don't understand how anyone defends it. Oh, she's on the floor. That's usually a sign she's coming to an end. Oh. Yeah, corner of solitude. Corner of solitude. You look like you're getting ready to pounce, but I don't know if you're gonna. Yeah, no, see, she's already bored. And you? Okay, I'll leave that with you. You do what you want with that. I forgot to mention yesterday, actually, I think, when I was editing the vlog, I don't remember mentioning it. It was Bonfire night yesterday. It was obviously overshadowed entirely by the fact that we were in lockdown again, because all of the firework and Bonfire night displays are cancelled. We didn't do anything for it yesterday because we plan on doing stuff for it tonight, I believe. We're going to have a mini firework display with sparklers and a fire pit and all that jazz tonight. So, yeah. We're doing our bonfire night this evening rather than yesterday. I assume everyone knows what Bonfire is, right? I haven't checked my stats recently as to who's watching from where. I think most people are from the UK. If not, Bonfire night is the night where we celebrate how a guy tried to blow up the king, failed miserably, and then got executed. I don't know why we celebrate this night. It's a very bizarre, weird thing. I'm trying to restore my energy from that after my ridiculously awful sleep last night, honestly. Oh, my elbow just clicked. I'm so fragile, guys. Should we have a cuddle now? Is that what you really want? If I sit down on the bed, will you come running? Come on. Yeah, here we go. Do you want a cuddle? Is that what you wanted? She's so needy.
I can see you looking at me.
You were making noises. Right. Right, guys.
So you won't get copyrighted for that.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, we're all dressed up. Bonfires. Dressed up warm. Listen, you. Insulting my snood.
Yo, what?
My snood.
Yo, what?
Listen, leave me alone. Let me have my stuff.
I'm gonna go head outside.
Bonfire's ready. Got small sticks. Are you ready for this, lads?
Oh no.
It's very chilly. I don't know what shoes I want.
I'm gonna have the Crocs.
Ah, you son of a sausage.
Don't make the head off. Fire pit. Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
God, I want to get that shit in up.
Oh, that's my
Yeah,
face.
don't keep it now.
Can't see your face.
Oh no, Mum, go back. Just for 5 seconds. Mum, quick.
Marshmallow dropped in there.
Oh. Golf claps.
I was trying to. Hey, Mum, can I get you
Right.
smiling a bit?
Oh. That happened a lot faster than I thought.
Hello.
Oh no, don't do that face.
You gotta spell your name.
You look like that's your wand.
You gotta spell your name, you gotta spell it backwards. Because you gotta make it look right for the people watching.
Oh.
So it's G.
Who's watching?
You.
Oh.
You.
I can,
Oh.
you can see it.
R.
When you do your name.
G.
G was
Hi.
wrong around. Oh no, it
Oh.
wasn't. No, yeah, it was.
Yeah. No,
Tail
you're right.
goes.
Yours is easy. You can do yours a bit too.
A G. Oh no. G. E.
Right, I feel a bit left out now.
R.
Did yours go out?
No, I haven't started it yet.
Oh. It's the little G backwards.
See?
Yeah.
Now we know they never go off.
Here you going, Chris?
Try to out your name.
My name? Can you do a baby G backwards?
30 minutes.
A baby G.
A baby G. Oh.
Oh, mine's gone.
I think that was.
It's the no. It's,
Oh no, that's me.
yeah. It's really confusing, isn't it?
No, that can't be right. I just draw a heart. That's universal.
Oh, thanks.
Right.
G.
G.
E.
Oh,
O.
what are you gonna spell?
R.
This is nonsense.
Oh wait. G. E. O. R.
Georgia.
Oh, there.
Oh, you did it. Have you spelled your name yet?
Yeah. Struggled really
Mine's
hard.
so easy. L. I. Oh no, I can just go L. I. L. Y.
It's really hard to do letters back. Quickly, it's good.
N.
Not sure how that came out. Let's have a look.
E.
In fairness to Slippers, though, it was crazy loud.
Oh yeah, she's usually really good with fireworks, but that was ridiculously loud. I did have to come to make sure she was okay. She's alright.
It's a good display, though.
She got over it pretty quickly. She wasn't breathing heavily or anything.
Okay. Yeah,
She was just ran to my sister's room because obviously she was right next to it in here. Oh, hello. Come on. Aww. Look at you being friendly.
Me.
I'm the cat. Do you know what, Lily? She did break my heart yesterday. When you went to bed, when you said goodnight, as you walked past, she jumped off the bed and ran after you, but you shut the door. And she stopped and she sat down and she kind of stared at the... I walked out and she was like sat outside your door and I was like, oh, that's so
always do
sad.
that. I feel so bad, but she just moved. I can't sleep with her in my room.
Yeah, she's a little fidgety.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. You're very noisy sometimes. You're lucky me and Chris like being woken up in the middle of the night at the moment to check on the election. Right, we're going to end the vlog here. Did you have a good bonfire night?
I did, it was really good.
I haven't really done anything for bonfire night in a while, and we didn't even do it on bonfire night. But apparently neither does anyone else, because more fireworks are going off tonight than tomorrow. No, than yesterday. What's the words? I'm very tired. It's coming up to 9. Did not sleep well last night. Your claw's stuck. I'm gonna help. Oh, you've got it out. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, slippers. Say bye.
Bye.